Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve get sample question engineering mathematics 2022. It is question number 12, set 4, x square del 2x del x2 minus x into y square minus 1 del 2y del x del y plus y into y square y minus 1 whole square del 2z del x2 plus x into del z del x plus y into del z del y is equal to 0 is hyperbolic if four options are given. So this is the question in the house of differential equation, and it is a get sample question engineering mathematics 2022. So here b square minus 4ac, that is greater than 0. So now this is a second order equation, differential equation. So now x square into y minus 1 whole square minus 4x square y into y minus 1 whole square is greater than 0. That implies x square into y minus 1 whole square y minus y plus 1 whole square minus 4y greater than 0. That implies x square into y minus 1 whole square into y square plus twice y plus 1 minus 4y is greater than 0. That implies x square into y minus 1 whole square y square minus twice y plus 1 greater than 0. That implies x square y minus 1 whole square y minus 1 whole square greater than 0. Implies x square y minus 1 whole 4 greater than 0. Now we may say x square is if x not is equals to 0, or y minus 1 is not is equals to 0. So that implies y not is equals to 1. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is option C is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 12. Now moving to question 13. So question 13 tells us the solution of del 2u del x2 minus minus of del 2 minus del 2u del y del t u by del t is equals to u, satisfying u x comma 0 is equals to 6 e to the power minus 3x. Four options are given. So this is the question in the house of differential equation also, and it is a get sample question engineering mathematics. So here we see u of x comma t is equals to capital of X into capital X into capital T. Okay, so this is equation 1. So now x dash t plus twice x t dash is equals to xt. Okay, so now we x dash t plus x t dash is equals to xt. Now here implies x dash t minus x t is equals to minus of just side change, that is 2x into t dash. Okay, now multiplying dividing cross multiplication type dividing, so that is xt minus x divide 2x, just side changing here, operating side change, so t dash by t, that is equals to, let's suppose k, so it is k. So now this one is equals to k if this one is equals to k, or this one is equals to k. Okay, so here x dash minus x by twice x, if this one is equals to k, so that implies x dash by twice x by twice x is equals to just separating these two ones. So that is minus of twice x is equals to k. Okay. So now we write x dash by 2x is equals to k plus half. Okay. So multiplying this one. So x dash is equals to k plus half into capital of X, and multiplying with also 2 here, just side change. So here x dash by x now doing. So this is 2k plus, so 2k plus 1. Okay. So now differentiating this, integrating both sides. So here we get dx by x integration, and this one integrating 2k plus 1 into small dx. So here log of capital X is equals to 2k plus 1 into x plus k. Okay. Now capital X is equals to what? E to the power this one 2k plus 1 into x plus k. Okay. Now this portion t dash by t is equals to k. Okay. So t dash is equals to k into t. That implies dt by dt is equals to k into t. Now side change and integrating. So dt capital T by t integration k integration dt. Okay. So now this one become log of t, and it is kt plus 1 integrating constant c. So t is equals to e to the power kt plus c. So this one is this one put equation 2 and this one equation 3. Okay. So operating now 1, 2 and 3 together. So now using 1, 2 and 3. So here we get what we get? E to the power, we should calculate e to the power x, u of x comma 0 is equals to this. Okay, so now x comma t, we get x comma t. So it e to the power 2x plus 1 into x plus k into e to the power kt plus c. Okay. So if we put this one is equation, no, I just punching this 2 1. So this one become e to the power to the power 1m is here, e to the power 2k, sorry k, this one is k, 2k plus 1 e to the power 2k plus 1 and x here, just punching k and c and making one constant, so it is removing. So this one is equal to plus kt is remaining portion. So just put this one is equation 4. So now we get equation 4. So from equation now putting x as remaining x as x and k as 0. So what we get? So here m is equals to e to the power x and t. So now putting m is equals to 6. M is equals to 6. We get m is equals to here. Okay. So this one is 2k plus 1 is equals to minus of 3. Okay, so now this one become twice k minus 3 is equals to minus of 3 minus of 1, twice k is equals to minus of 4. So k is equals to what? K is equals to minus of 2. So here we get k is equals to minus 2. So now e to the u of x comma t, u of x comma t become, so u of x comma t becomes 6 of e to the power minus 3x minus 2t. Just putting the replacing m and k as 6 and minus 2 here. So therefore e to the e of, we should calculate the value e of x comma 0. So here e of x comma 0 is equals to 6 into e to the power minus 3x minus 2t. So we reached, it is our required solution. We should calculate the value of ex0 is equal to 6 e to the power minus 3x minus 2t. So what is the 3x? So just put it in a line and write down e to the power minus of 3x plus 2t. One line. So option D is our correct choice. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.